So Fujimoto, the author of Chainsaw Man, made a funny little mistake in the recent chapter, and none of us are really sure on why. In the previous chapter, Yoru was turning the state of Michigan in America into a sword that she could use. The problem is that in this week's chapter, it is no longer the state of Michigan, and it is now Oregon. There is no mention of Michigan throughout the chapter. There's no real way that Michigan has disappeared in the fight. We go from a state being transformed into a sword that we originally knew as Michigan, and now she is wielding Oregon. Why do you think that is? We know that both Michigan and Oregon are not mistranslations. They are accurate. So the other alternatives is that either 1, Fujimoto forgot, or 2, he just didn't feel like writing out the word Michigan into a sword. This does not really change anything, but it is a funny little situation, and all of the importance that Michigan as a state in regards to their war efforts in the past kind of falls to the wayside now. Of course, it's not the end of the world, it's a funny little mistake, but maybe Fujimoto needs a nice little break. Maybe something more than the 1-week break that he offhandedly has. If you're interested, I do talk about the whole chapter here, so if you'd like, please go ahead and watch that.